What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay Will. So the day has come. It's Friday. So today's Friday, June 29th, 2018. Decided to go ahead and do a quick news video. The Motorola Moto Z3 Play is official. It's officially out for sale. So if you grabbed it on Amazon, you got it for 50 bucks off for $449. And then Motorola, you can get it for $475. If you put items in your Motorola cart, I know you guys already know this little trick already, but if you don't, here you are. So if you want to get a discount on things on the Motorola site, in nearly every time I go to the Motorola site to buy something, I just wait a second. I'll put something in my cart, wait about 5 minutes or so, boom, up pops a coupon code for 5 to 10 to 15% off, whatever they're offered at the time. And they're giving pretty much $25 off of the Moto Z3 Play if you just drop it in your cart and stay on that screen for a few minutes. The code will pop up and it'll say continue shopping and checkout right now, and we'll give you this percentage off. And so for me, it was $474.99 is what it comes to at the checkout screen for through the Motorola website. And again, Amazon $449. Best Buy will probably match Amazon. If you talk to them, you know, they more than likely, they match Amazon, but I don't know if they'll match a Prime Amazon. So it's all about how you show it to them. I don't know. Be ethical though. Do not lie. But Amazon $449, Motorola you can get it as low as $474, and they're giving you a battery pack this time with it, so that's fantastic. I already have a battery pack and it kind of sucks, but you know, I'll have an extra one. But they're kind of just cramming it in the box. And Best Buy $499, so that's a pretty steep price to me for the internals, but I know the phone is going to be good. And I think that's just the way I feel about that. I don't know that I feel comfortable paying $500 for that phone, you know, based on some other phones I've gotten for less, you know, and I really want the phone. I really do. And I'm willing to wait. You know me, I don't have to have it as soon as it drops. I'll get it eventually because I have so many phones. You know, I want to do a big giveaway, a Xiaomi giveaway, because I have a lot of Xiaomi phones and I want to give them away. I'm just trying to figure out how I want to do that. Anyway, the Motorola phones, not giving away my Motorola phones, seeing as though I got my Moto Z2 Force for $300, just can't beat that. You know, it's tough to beat that price. But the new Motorola Moto Z3 Play, it's beautiful. It's got the new aspect ratio, you know, it's got the fingerprint, it's got the fingerprint on the side. I love that. But $499 is a little steep, and it's glass now also. So one drop and you're done probably. One drop and it's a wrap. I really don't like that they moved away from the metal, aluminum. I don't like that. I think I don't know how we got to this point where we started to feel like glass was more premium. It's more fragile, which means you open up the door to giving money to other people if you have to get your phone fixed or repaired or something. It's a money game. That's the way I see it. It's a money game. I definitely would not like glass over aluminum, metal, but that's where we are. Companies seem to think that we think that glass is premium. It looks great, but if you're gonna put glass on a phone, you need to have some wireless charging. And even though I don't use wireless charging, put that in there. You know, I don't use wireless charging. I have a lot of phones that wireless charge, but I just don't use it. It's just not fast enough for me. Even fast wireless charging is not faster than plugging in my experience in testing. But you know, the Z3 Play is a sweet looking phone. I'm sure it's gonna be a boss in performance, but I don't know about the $499 price tag at this point. So I'm gonna wait it out. I'm gonna hold off as long as I can. I don't even know about paying $450 for it. Yeah, I don't even know about that. So, OnePlus 6 Red. Do you, for all you guys that like OnePlus, you know, I don't like their business practices overall, but I think they make fantastic products, man. I'm not gonna hate on them. Every OnePlus I've had, pretty much loved it. But what do you think about them introducing a red version of the phone? Well, the leaks are out, and I think it looks actually pretty good. It's the glass back, or the shiny back, if you will. But If it would have been matte, I don't know, maybe they'll make a matte one too, I don't know. But I don't know when this phone is going to be released. I don't know if it's going to be released. I'm just showing you the leak. So take it as a rumor, and hang out on the OnePlus website to see, or to see if they're going to say something about it. So, but there you have it, man. Just a quick, brief news video from your man Jay Will. It's Friday, and I wanted to talk to you guys. I like the red OnePlus 6, man. I'm not gonna front. I think it looks pretty good. It definitely would be something on my radar. The white one actually is, I think, the more sexier one, the more sleek. Or the red just pops, man, because it's gonna have a black front. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. Anyway, it's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next one, I guess. Maybe I need to do some unboxings or something, man. I haven't done any unboxings, any phone reviews, because I've done so many phone reviews. I've got stuff lined up, but I've got a life. I don't just sit up in this office and record YouTube videos all the time. It may seem like it, but I really don't. Anyway, man, I got more car videos probably I'll shoot up. I got my new OBD2 reader in, so maybe I'll do a video on that. I don't know. It's still brand. I've had this for like 2 weeks. I still haven't opened it yet. I have new cars, so showing a code or something is just probably not going to happen in my cars. So, but that's not the point. You can clear codes, you can check for things on there. So yeah. But got that in, and I've already showed you guys my new monitors. I do owe you guys a video, so look for that video on the Acer Nitro 5. I will give you a video on that because I do have the new Acer monitor to match now. So I didn't do an unboxing or any of this stuff like on the monitor, but I did want to show you the monitor and let you guys see how it does with gaming and stuff like that. But anyway, there it is, folks. It's your man Jay Will. I will see you guys in the next video. Now I'm really gone. I like doing the thing where you put your hand up and black the camera out, but I've knocked over my camera before, and this camera is very expensive, so I'm gonna do it anyway.